In this video, we're going to talk about the vision board success stories. And there are thousands of celebrities who have actually used vision board to achieve massive success in their lives. There are people like Steve Harvey, there are people like Manny Koshin, there are people like Ellen DeGeneres, Oprah, or the Lily Singh from Superwoman. So there are thousands of people who have used vision boards to manifest their dreams and desires. There are people like Jim Carrey who have actually been able to manifest big things. Like he was really struggling to come up with to succeed as an actor. Then finally, once he understood the law of attraction and he understood the concept of vision boards and setting goals, he actually took up a blank check and he wrote down 10 million, and soon enough he was able to achieve. He was able to earn that much amount of money just by starting up the process of creating a vision board. So having a vision board is going to be helpful for you. There are thousands of success stories all over the internet. So if you take a look at, if you go keep digging for vision board and learn more about it, you'll be able to find thousands of stories that are going to help you transform your life, because it will inspire you to create a vision board that will help you manifest big things in your life. And so if you I will try to look at the vision board success stories. I have added them into my vision board mini course, which will help you um, show you success stories of people that I just mentioned, like people like Lily Singh, Manny Koshin, Ed Pilot, and there are thousands of other people who have used vision boards to create success in their life. The concept of vision board in itself is helping you formulate a vision that can help you be very clear on what it is that you want to achieve, where it to be to achieve, or to live like to um, have in your life, which would be your ideal day or day in your life. Where in the future, where this is the exact kind of thing that I want to have in my life, this is the exact kind of place that I want to be, this is the kind of people that I want to be with, this is the exact kind of influence that I want to establish. So try to take a look at the vision board success stories that you can find on the internet, and learn more about vision board creation process. And to speed up your process, I have created the vision board mini course. You'll be able to find the vision board mini course right in the links below. And if you are interested to learn more, sign up. And it's really affordable. I've covered in 7 different modules on how you can create a vision board that's dynamic and help you improve in 5 areas of life that most people don't cover up or even tell you. So once you get into the vision board course, you'll be able to actually create your vision board in simplistic format. I'll tell you specifically which areas of life you need to focus on and what you need to do to create your vision board fast, quick, and once you have done this, the universe has the ability to manifest those things. So if you can create a vision board quickly and keep it beginner friendly and keep it clutter free, you will be able to manifest those things because you will be setting them out with intention. So creating a vision board right from the start is going to be the first point in changing your life, because you are trying to create a vision for yourself. It's basically you're setting up goals for yourself in the visual format, because vision board has is just a visual aid to help you represent the kind of end goal that you want to go after. So, and by creating a vision board, you're attracting those things into your life. Don't try to allow those things to come, and don't try to chase them or pursue them or rush through them. So if you can create a vision board, you've done half your job. Now it's the universe's job to provide those things to you, because this is exactly what you asked for. So make sure to comment below what exactly you're struggling with and trying to create the vision board for yourself. And if you're really struggling and want help, sign up into the vision board mini course. You will be able to find the discount code for you. And if you're the first people, I'll be able to feature your vision board on the sales page, so that thousands of other students can come and get to know you, and they can also come and network with you and lead a lot of opportunities. So that kind of opportunity you will not be able to get anywhere else. Most people don't do that for you. So here's an opportunity for you. You get a lot of bonuses, and I'll also I've included 2 mystery bonuses for you, along with the 5 other bonuses that I have for you. And it's really affordable. Just check it out, because I think it's only $27 after applying the discount coupon code. So if you think that is really affordable, convert that into your local currency. You will see how affordable that is for you. So creating that vision board is the first step to turning your dreams into reality, because most people don't have dreams and goals and desires. So that's why they don't go anywhere and after 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. And those who have actually set out a clear vision for the path that where they want to go, they actually plan things out, they take actions, they become very clear on what they want, and they start looking for the ideal representation of by looking at pictures, quotes, sayings, anyone who's inspiring them. So if you want to take a look at all success stories from the vision board course, then definitely I have included them as the last bonus, because in that we'll be able to walk through that, and you'll be able to understand, okay, this is how these people have achieved vision board success. So you have, it's your responsibility to turn your life around. No one will do that for you. So if, it's just a simple step, because if you try to go the DIY route, where you actually spend hours and hours trying to cut out pictures and add them from different magazines, you will be spending about 40 to 60 hours trying to come up with. So that's about a week's time trying to create a DIY vision board, so which is do-it-yourself vision board. So try to follow the digital vision board plan that I have created for you, able to help you speed up the process faster. Because once you create it and do things at speed, you'll be able to know, okay, this is exactly what this is exactly what I don't want in my life. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've you know found some value in this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.